In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can go ahead and verify your YouTube channel. For more tutorials, make sure you subscribe, and let's get right into it. So as you can see, I've made a new YouTube channel just to demonstrate this tutorial. So the first thing you know what to do is come over to your profile picture in the top right corner, and go ahead and click on YouTube Studio. And then once you've clicked on YouTube Studio, go ahead and click on Settings. And then once you've clicked on that, go ahead and click on Channel. And then go ahead and click on Advanced Settings. And then go ahead and scroll down until you see Advanced Channel Settings, YouTube Account, and Delete or Hide Your Channel. Go ahead and click on Manage Your YouTube Account. And then once you've clicked on that, it will open a new tab and bring you to this page here. And then what you want to go ahead and do is click on Channel Status and Features. And then once you've clicked on that, as you can see, there's a little tab here that does say Verify. What you want to go ahead and do is click on that. And once you've clicked on that, it will bring you to this page here, and what you need to do is go ahead and get a phone number that you use. And once you've gone ahead and got the phone number you use, you can choose out of two options. You can get a call with an automated voice message, or you can get a text with a verification code, which is obviously the easiest way, so go ahead and click on that. And then all you need to do is go ahead and enter your phone number here in this box, and then once you've done that, you will get a text message with a verification code that you will just enter in here, and then go ahead and click on Submit. But please remember, as it says here, up to 2 accounts can be verified per phone number per year. So if you've already done this with 2 YouTube channels previously, you will not be able to do this again. So you will need another phone number that is accessible to you. So that's pretty much it, guys. If this video did help you, please remember to leave a like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.